Good morning, my dear students. Before class, we have discussed about the homogeneous differential equations. Actually, differential equations means we solve the first order, first degree equations are three types. One is the variable separable method. Second one is homogeneous differential equation. Third one is linear differential equation. Okay, my dear students. These are very important question. Compulsory one question will come from this or homogeneous differential equation. These are very important topic, my dear students. Linear differential equation. How to do the linear differential equations? Please listen carefully. How to identify the linear differential equations? Okay, my dear students. Now, this is also first order first degree equation. 100% first order first degree equation. First order first degree differential equation. The equation is of the form clearly observe that dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x, or dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y are called linear differential equations. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood or not. Yes, you observe that the equations is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x, or dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y are called the linear differential equations. How to solve these two differential equations? Okay, now the given differential equation is given differential equations are, observe that carefully. Now I will explain those two. Okay, now the given differential equations are, don't excite and don't confuse. Yeah, first one, dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Okay, my dear, this is equation number one. Second one, what is this type? Dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q. First you means you read the, that is type, which type is there. Dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y, my dear friends. Here y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. Where x is the independent variable means the functions of p of x, the functions of q of x must and should in variable x. Here the independent variable x means both p and q are the functions in x only. For suppose t is the independent variable, the functions both x and x both means p and q are in terms of t only, either constant. Okay, here x is the independent variable means p and q are the functions in x are the constant terms. Okay, here observe that here y is the independent variable. Y is the independent variable means the function p and q are in terms of y are, those are constants. Observe that here dependent variable y is there, here into y, p of y. Okay, listen carefully, p of y. Okay, p of x into y here. Okay, in this way comparison is going on. Y coefficient is p of x, where x is the independent variable, must and should p and q are the functions in x are constants. Here y is the independent variable, p and q are the functions in y are the constants. Okay, my dear students, after that you identified or not? Yeah, you understood or not? Yes. After that you will find the, this is p of x, you find the integrating factor. This is called integrating factor. This is called IF. That is equal, what the name of integrating factor means? e power integral of y quotient is p of x with respect to x. Here what is the integrating factor? Here integrating factor is equal e power integral function is p of y dy with respect to y. Okay, with respect to y. I hope that you understood or not. Yes, my dear students, after the integration factor we will find. Now this is equation number this. Now write the general solution. The general solution of 1 is, how to write, my dear students? Here the dependent variable is y into dependent variable into integrating factor directly is equal to integrating factor into q of x dx. This is the general solution, my dear friends. Plus c, no problem. We'll write here in this way. Y into integrating. Here what the general solution is going on? The general solution of 2, tell me. 2 is, what happened? General solution of 2 is here also dependent variable into integrating factor. Here dependent variable x into integrating factor is equal to integral of integrating factor into q of y dy. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will write the formula. After that we complete the integration, we will get the answer. I hope that you understood or not. First, what is the given differential equation form? This is dy by dx. Here x is the independent variable. Both p and q are must and should in the functions in terms of x are the constant. Dx by dy means 100%. The both the functions p and q are in terms of y are the constant. Now the what is the, how to find the integrating factor? Now the integrating factor, you will find the integrating factor by using this formula. What is the formula is going on? Integrating factor is equal to e power integral of p of x dx. Here integrating factor is equal e power p of y dy. Depends on the types of the differential equation. Now just we will find integrating factor, immediately we write the solution. Just we find the integrating factor, immediately we find the solution, my dear students. Now we are going to the problems. Okay, my dear students, observe. Dy by x plus 2y is equal to sin x. This is equation number 1 possible. This is the form. Here x is the independent variable. Here y coefficient is the function and this is the function in terms of x or constant. Already explained. Dy by x plus 2 into y is equal to sin x. What about here? P of x is equal to 2. Q of x is equal to sin x. What the formula is going on here? Dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. 100% observe that, my dear students. With respect to x means x is the independent variable, therefore the functions p and q are 100% in x are constant. Here y coefficient 100, always the y coefficient dy by dx type y coefficient always p of x is equal, after is equal constant. Okay, now you will find the integrating factor. What is the integrating factor, my dear students? Integral of e power p of x dx. I hope that you understood or not. E power integral of p of x to dx. 2 is constant, my dear students. Integral of dx that equal e power 2x. I is equal, integrating factor is equal e power 2x. Now write the general solution of 1. The general solution of equation 1 is, my dear students, the general solution of equation 1 is, okay, what happened? What is the formula? Dependent variable into, here dependent variable is y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q of x dx. Now y into integrating factor is e power 2x is equal to, here e power 2x into sin x dx. Already you know the formula. What the formula is going on here? Now I will explain your formula. Integral of e power ax into sin bx dx. E power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay, you know the formula. Therefore that is equal to y into e power 2x is equal to, here formula e power ax, a value 2, b value 1, e power 2x by 2 a value, here a value 2, b value 1, comparison. Okay my dear students, 4 plus 1 means 5, a sin bx, 2 sin x minus b means 1 cos x, this is plus c. Okay my dear students, now both side multiplying, divide with e power 2x, what happened, y is equal, divide with e power 2x, e power 2x cancel, e power 2x cancel, that is 1 by 5 into 2 sin x minus cos x plus c by e power 2x, means c into e power minus 2x. This is final answer my dear friends. Okay, I hope that you understood or not. In this way we will do the problems. This is the linear differential equation type problems. Okay my dear students, we are going to the next question. What is the next question? dy by dx plus 3y is equal to e power minus 2x. Okay my dear students, now here directly you write, this is equation number 1. Here directly p value, p of x value is equal constant, q of x is equal e power minus 2x. Now you will find integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal formula e power integral of p dx, e power integral of 3 dx, 3 is constant outside, means integral of 3x. Integral of dx means 3x. Now general solution of 1. What happened my dear friends? One is dependent variable y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into u of x dx. I hope that you understood not. Y into e power 3x, e power 3x into e power minus 2x into dx, that is equal, bases equal, powers must be added, 3x minus 2x means x, e power x dx, that equal e power x plus c. Therefore y is equal to, what happened this one? Okay, y is equal to e power 3x, y into e power 3x is equal to e power x plus c. For suppose divided by 3x, what happened? Both side divided by 3x, y e power 3x cancel, e power x by e power 3x, e power minus 2x plus c into e power minus 3x. Okay, divided by e power 3x, e power x by e power 3x, e power minus 2x, c by e power 3x means e power minus 3cx. Okay my dear students, in this way we will do the problems. Next my dear students, this equation number, given equation is 1. Here x, y coefficient is p, y coefficient is p 1 by x, that is p of x. P of x is equal to 1 by x, q of x is equal to x square. Now you will find the integrating factor. Integrating factor equal e power integral of p dx, e power integral of 1 by x dx, e power log x base c. Already explained the formula, a power log x base a. Here base equal, the answer is x. Here base x, that equal, that means the answer is equal here x. Integrating factor is equal to x. Now write the general solution. Now the general solution of 1 is, okay my dear friends, the general solution of 1 is, what happened? Dependent variable y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q of x dx. Now what happened? Solution, y into integrating factor is x, integrating factor is x, q of x is x square dx, x into x square x cube integration x power 4 by plus c. What is the answer? Y into x is equal to this one. In this way we will complete the problems my dear students. Now we are going to the problem. What the problem is going on? dy by dx plus y secant x is equal to tan x. Very very important, where the x value is equal, lies between 0 to pi by 2, means first coordinate. Here this is equation number 1. What is here? P of x. P of x is equal to secant x. Okay my dear students. Okay, next q of x is equal to tan x. Okay my dear friends, now we are going to next question, means next step. integrating factor is equal to e power integral of p dx, that is called e power integral of secant x dx. E power integral of secant x means log mod secant x plus tan x. Here base e is there, e cancel. What is that one? Secant x plus tan x. This is integrating factor. Whenever we will find the integrating factor, immediately we write the solution. The general solution of 1 is, you know very well, I hope that y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q of x dx. Okay, my dear students. Now y into this is secant x plus tan x is equal to secant x plus tan x into tan x dx, that equal to multiply secant x into tan x dx plus this one into this one into tan x into tan x, tan square x dx. What is the integral of secant x into tan x? Secant x, already explained. Integral of tan square x means secant square x minus 1 means tan x minus x plus 1. Okay, my dear students, this is y into secant x plus tan x. This is also integral of secant x minus 1. This is 1. Okay, this is plus c1. Okay. Okay, my dear students, this is the answer for this question. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Now we are going to the next question. Now observe that cos square x into dy by x plus y is equal to tan x. 100% what I am telling, dy by dx plus p of x into y. Dy by dx in plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. 100% the coefficient of dy by dx always equal to 1. Observe that in the starting. Coefficient of dy by dx. Here cos square x is there. Must and should divide with cos square x. Okay, my dear students. What happened this one? Now dy by dx plus divided by means cos 1 by cos square means secant square x into y is equal to tan x by cos square x. Tan x into secant square. Tan x into secant square x dx. 100% the coefficient of dy by dx must and should 1. After that we will comparison, that is dy by dx plus p of x into y. Here p of x is equal to 100% secant square x, q of x is equal to 100% tan x into secant square x. Okay, my dear students, what happened? Observe that. Okay, now integrating factor is equal to, what is the integrating factor? Integral of e power p dx. E power p means secant square x dx, that is e power integral of secant square x means tan x. Now write the general solution of 1. Now the general solution of 1 is y into integrating factor. Directly I will write. Okay, integrating factor means e power tan x into tan x secant square x dx. Okay, this is integrating factor, this is q of x. Now any substitution is going on. Tan x derivative secant square x means tan x is equal to t. Secant square x dx is equal to dt. Okay, my dear students, now this is dt. What happened? This is e power tan x e power t into t dt, product of the two functions. Already I explained this one. What the integral of e power x into f of x? The formula already explained. Once again I will explain. E power x in, whenever e power x, integral of e power x into f of x type. F of x is algebraic function, that equal e power x into f of x minus f dash of x plus f double dash of x, so on. This continuation up to the derivative 0. Okay, my dear students, what happened this one? Here e power x into f of x means e power t into f of x means t. T minus t derivative is 1, 1 derivative is 0, that is plus c. This value is y into e power tan x. Therefore y into e power tan x is equal to, here also e power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus c divided by tan x, e power tan x. What happened? the total equation divided by tan x. What happened? Y is equal to tan x minus 1 plus c by e power tan x, means c into e power minus tan x. This is final answer, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. You remember this formula also, my dear students. This is very very important. Chain rule. This is called chain rule. E power x into integral of e power x into f of x dx. Okay, e power x into f of x minus f dash of x derivative. Okay, f dash f double up to we will write the derivative ends to 0. Okay, I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, what happened here? X into dy by dx plus 2y equal x. Already explained. Our formula is dy by dx plus p of. Here x into is there. Constant should be multiplied with x. The coefficient of dy by dx always equal to 1 divided by x, both side. Now dy by dx plus 2 by x into y. Divided by x means x 1x, x cancel, means x log x 1. Okay, my dear student. Here this is p of x, this is q of x. Y coefficient is always p of x. P of x is equal to 2 by x. Q of x is equal to x log x. Now integrating factor is equal to e power integral of p dx. E power integral of p dx means 2 by x dx. E power 2 1 by x dx. That is equal to e power 2 log x. That is equal to e power log x square to m log a to the power of m. Okay, this is also base c. This base cancel. That is answer is x. Now integrating factor is how much? That equal x. Now we will write the general solution, my dear students. What the general solution is going on? Now the general solution of 1 is, what happened? General solution of 1 is y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q of x dx. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now y into integrating factor is x square is equal to here x square into x log x. This is equation number 1. Okay, this is equal to integral of x cube into log x dx. Already explained the formula. What the formula is going on? Integral of x power n into log x dx. Same way, that equal formula 1 by n plus 1 x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. I hope that you know the formula or not. Yes. X power n into log x. Integral of x power n into log x dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1. What happened this one? Here x power n plus 1. X power n is there. X power n plus 1 means x power 4 by 4 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 means 1 by 4 plus c. This is the answer for that solution. This is y into x square. Okay, my dear students, simply leave that one, no problem at all. Why you are calculating the remaining parts? Okay, for suppose y calculating means for suppose no problem at all, leave this one. Okay, in this way we will complete the problems, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, that is x log x divided by x plus y is equal to 2 by x log x. So what I am telling you, divided by x coefficient always 1, means divided by 100% divided with x log x. Whatever my students, therefore dy by dx plus divided 1 by x log x into y is equal to x log x means divided by x log x cancel. The answer is 2 by x square. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood or not. 2 by x square. Okay, now here p of x is equal to 1 by x log x. Q of x is equal to 2 by x square. Now integrating factor is equal to e power integral of 1 by x log x dx. So now I will write in this one integral of 1 by x log x I will write as 1 by x by log x. No problem. 1 by x by log x means 1 by x log x. Here this is log x derivative is 1 by x. F dash of x by f of x means f dash of x by f of x means log mod f of x. That is equal to e power log mod f of x means log x. Okay, here base c, this e cancel. What the answer is going on? Log x. Integrating factor is log x. Okay, my dear students. Now general solution of 1 is. Now the general solution of 1 is y into, directly I will write y into log x is equal to 2 by x square into log x dx. 2 by x square into log x dx. 2 right outside. Now by using the formula I inverse L logarithmic. Okay, that is first function is log x, second function is 1 by x square, integral f of x into, by parts, integral f of x into g of x, f of x into integral of g of x minus dx. Okay, here 2 into, write down the formula. First integral f of x into g of x. First f of x means log x into integral of 1 by x square means minus 1 by x. I hope that you understood or not. Minus derivative of log x means 1 by x into integral of 1 by x square means minus 1 by x dx. By apply the, what is the formula is going on? By parts. That equal 2 into minus log x by x. Here minus into minus plus integral of 1 by x square dx. Now minus 2 log x by x. Here 1 by x square means minus 1 by x minus 2 by x plus c. This is y log x. Y log x is equal to minus 2 log x by x. Y log x is equal to minus 2 log x by x minus 2 by x plus c. Now you will do another step, maybe chance. Y log x is equal to minus 2 by x taken common, log x plus 1 plus c. Okay, my dear students. In this way we will do the problems. I hope that you understood the problems or not. Yes. Okay. Tomorrow class I will explain the remaining problems, my dear students. Thank you, one and all.